Hi, I'm Regina Taylor, an adoption attorney located in Gastonia, North Carolina, and I was recently asked a step-parent adoption question. A gentleman asked how he could prevent his ex-wife's new husband from adopting their child. First, the proper course of action should have been for your ex-wife and her husband to ask for your consent to adoption. But since they didn't, the next alternative for them would be for them to attempt to terminate your parental rights. You should be contacted or somehow served with documents, particularly if they are in another state and not in North Carolina. You should be served with some type of documents in an attempt to terminate your parental rights. You should immediately retain an attorney to represent you so that you can contest this action. If you reside here in North Carolina, you should be served with a petition to terminate your parental rights, and you should be served with it by the sheriff or by certified mail. In North Carolina, you are immediately appointed an attorney to represent your interests. If you are financially able or unable to retain your own attorney, then you can retain the court-appointed attorney. Otherwise, you have to secure your own. This attorney will file a response to the termination action and will defend you in any later court proceeding to terminate your parental rights. I have to strongly encourage you to make some contact with your ex-wife to ensure that they don't try, particularly if she lives in another state, that they don't try to use some father's registry or something like that to terminate your rights. But you should not sit still, and you should retain your own counsel to defend you. Your ex-wife cannot just unilaterally decide that to allow her husband to adopt your child. In addition, depending upon the age of your child, if your child is 12 years old or older, your child has to also consent to that adoption. So without your consent or your agreement to the adoption, this adoption cannot move forward. If you should have any other questions about step-parent adoption or termination of parental rights, you can visit my website at www.attorneyreginataylor.com or contact my office at 704-861-0700 or contact us toll-free at 866-501-2098. Thank you.